Yep.
Middle Tennessee.
There's me.
South Central Wilson County in Middle Tennessee until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from La Vernie to 10 miles west of Murfreesboro, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damaged roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Smyrna, La Vernie, Nolensville, Watertown, Walter Hill, Cedars of Lebanon State Park, Las Gases, and Milton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.